Good morning, it's Marisa from Oasis. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a very merry and happy Easter. Okay, I hope you're all safe at home. Today we're going to make a nice flower that your children could put up in a vase inside. This is the one we're going to make. This obviously I've used yellow and with the green stem, but it's really adaptable. You can use any colour that you like and any sorts of materials, with newspaper, all sorts of things. Okay, so I'm just going to switch the camera around and show you how to do it. Okay, these are the things that we're going to need to make our sunflower. There's glue, scissors, a pen. I've used a couple of skewers, like kebab skewers. You could use anything like lollipop sticks or sticks from outside if you have any. Okay, and then over here we've got sellotape. And we also have a cupcake cases and the container that they're stored in. That's for the inside of the flower. And then I've chosen to do two different colours. So the yellow there will be the base that goes inside the sunflower, and the lighter yellow here will be the outside circle and the petals. Okay. So over here I've already pre-cut out some green leaves, right, and some petals and the centre of the flower. But when you're cutting out the petals, there's no need to do them the same shape as mine, as long as it's, or they can all be different. It's really up to you. Hi, now I'm going to show you how the pieces of cardboard that we're cut out. So we're going to use the cupcase container and use around here, and then draw all the way around the outside, which is where I made a circle. I've drawn my shape, and then I've used the cutout that I've already made to make another stencil here, and then we can draw all the way around the outside. Okay, I've used the inside of the cupcake, the bottom of it, to make a smaller hole that will go inside the cupcake case, and I've drawn around that. Okay, and then I've also cut out my leaves. Okay, with the green paper, I've made a smaller leaf style, and I've used that, and then I've cut around the outside. Yeah. Okay, so now we've got our bits, we will glue them together. Right, I've used the Pritt stick, and I'm using it to make a big circle around the outside. Okay, and to glue all the way around the outside. And then I'm going to place the leaves on. Okay, so there I've glued all the leaves to the outside of onto the circle, and you can see the thin layer of glue that I've got on top of it here. I'm going to take my cup case, okay, and I'm going to place that on the middle, just like that. Okay, so you can see then I've glued the cup case to over top of the petals, and then I'm going to take my small inside flower and stick it on in the inside. Okay, so that's our flower done. Okay, I've now got my skewers. That's going to be my stem of my flower. I've cut out a green piece of cardboard that's double the width of them. Okay, and then I'm going to place them on top of the cardboard. I'm going to then fold the cardboard over and sellotape the sides. Okay, I've now covered my skewer with two skewers with cardboard. Okay, I've cut my leaves out and I've placed them where I'm going to sellotape them. Okay, and also I have put on my flower at the top. That's going to get turned over and sellotaped to the outside, to the other side. Okay, so now I've sellotaped the stem to the back of the flower. I've secured that quite well with sellotape, and then I've also secured the leaves. Hi, so we've finished our sunflower now. It's got quite a long stem on it, okay, and it's ready to go. So we can put it into a pot or put it in a little vase or anything like that and enjoy it. And thank you for tuning into our channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.